I'm fabulous. Can you all say Brooke Burke? You know who Brooke Burke is, right? Here's her new line of longevity. There is power in simplicity. Go tell your friends. Fabulous, not yet, but we're gonna work on it. Okay, I have not gotten ready, in case you were wondering. No makeup on. I've got my Brooke Burke t-shirt on. She started a new line called Longevity, which is like a cacao protein drink. I haven't tried it yet. She sent the t-shirt, the hat, so cute. Okay, first of all, this I'm really excited about. It's by Bavaria, and it helps to moisturize your skin. It helps to clean the skin. It helps to get rid of wrinkles. It's got LED light. It's got green light, red light, and blue light. Red, green, and blue. And they all do different things, but I am really impressed with this. A lot of the products that I use are available on my Amazon page, amazon.com/shop/lifestylejewels, and also claudioriaz.com. You save 20%, enter jewels. wishbeauty.com, enter jewels, you save 20%. If there's something that you see and it's too complicated to figure out the discount, just message me. It's that easy. Okay, I want to show you this. Atmos is an all-natural, organic, paraben-free, sulfate-free, DEA, TEA-free, detoxifying face cleanser. Say that 10 times fast. I really like this product a lot. I'm gonna wash my face to start, and we're gonna use the new Bavaria, this new Bavaria thing, which is freaking cool. Okay, so check this out. I'm gonna turn it on. So this green light is for cleansing the skin, and now watch, once I put it on my skin, we're gonna go in an upwards motion, of course, because we want to lift the skin. But this is gonna help to clean the pores, lift the skin. It's got vibration to it. I am like really impressed by this. It has all sorts of different functions. So it also helps with if you have lines and wrinkles. So different lights do different things. So let me just show you. So we can go into a different light. There's the blue light. It's good for acne, also great for healing the skin. Red light is great for reducing lines and wrinkles. So anyways, it has all these different settings. I'm super impressed by it, super cool. Aesthetic Assets has their skin line, and they have an SPF 44. You gotta wear an SPF, you guys. And this is a tinted SPF. You save 15% on every service and every product on the first time you walk in the door when you mention me. And if you join the VIP program, which is really the best idea, you save 20% minimum every single time on every single service, on every single product. But I do really like their SPF. I like all their skincare, actually, to be honest. And I think a lot of us are like, okay, what do I use? And it's medical grade and it's pretty simple. And so if you're looking for just an easy, do this, they have that, and that's great. Here is, I like to use a face oil by Wish Beauty Products, all natural, paraben-free, sulfate-free, DEA, TEA-free. Oil, you would think that an oil would make you break out and make your skin oily, but it's just gonna make your skin smoother, and it's gonna make your makeup go on better. Yes, win-win situation. I found the Marshmallow Primer by NYX, NYX. It's on my Amazon page, so you can go there to buy it. But a primer is great because what it does is it fills in all your little lines and wrinkles so that when you put your makeup on, number one, your makeup stays on top of your skin. It doesn't absorb into your skin. It also helps to not get crusty and dry into your lines and wrinkles, which accentuates your age and lines. No, thank you. I am obsessed with the NARS. This is the matte foundation. It is a high coverage foundation, which I like. And it also freaking stays all day. So even when I teach class, it doesn't move. So I love this. Oh, by the way, I had my hands injected the other day. They look so good. If you saw the before and afters, I'll try and post them again of what my hands look like. I have very veiny, thin hands. And so you can do everything to your face, but then if you don't pay attention to your hands, yeah, it gives it away. They're like, oh, she looks so youthful. And then they look at the hands and they're like, oh, she's a gajillion years old. I know it looks so dark when you start, but once you start blending, you blend it into your neck. And we're just gonna blend. So now that my foundation is done, I get dark under my eyes, so we're going to conceal that. Claudio Riaz, who's a celebrity makeup artist out of Chicago. He's done like every single celebrity. I freaking love his makeup and love him personally. We're gonna use this pinky one to help with darkness under the eyes, and we're gonna help with the light one to lighten up. So we want to get rid of the darkness. So here's where the darkness is. okay? And the orangey pink helps to cancel out that dark blue. And then here is our light color, so we'll go in there. So we're gonna lighten, and we're also going to get rid of the darkness. I'm gonna tap it like we would with our finger, because under the eye is a very sensitive spot, so you don't wanna rub. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the opposite side of the brush, and we're gonna conceal it with a powder. The cool thing about Claudio is that he will literally FaceTime you and help you. He wants to make sure that you order the right things. Use the other side of the brush, and we're just gonna set all of this in. What we've done is we've created a blank canvas now, right? We've evened out the skin tone, we've done all of that. We've lightened up the eyes, so now we can start applying makeup. So I primed my face. I also wanna prime my eyes. This is also by Claudio Riaz. This is the primer. So he uses big brushes, you'll notice, so that when you're doing makeup, it's super quick and easy. And we're priming the eye, why? So that your eyeshadow stays on your lids all day. Also, if you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, you can just prime your eye. It brightens your eye, lifts your eyelids, and there you go. Boom. How pretty is this? Use this brown color here. Then all we're gonna do is take a windshield wiper back and forth. Not all the way, about 3/4 of the way. And we can come into the corner here a little bit. Nice, easy hand. You're kind of holding it closer to the end so that you don't have a heavy hand as you're doing it. I'm gonna go in with the blue, and we're just gonna tap it. And because this brush is so big, we don't have to do a lot to get that on there. I like more, so you can start out with less, and then if you want to do more, more is more, I always think. We're gonna go into the corner, and we're gonna use this dark brown. Don't be afraid. Notice how I pull my eye out a little bit, so it's a little bit tighter on the lid, and then I'm just gonna make a little half moon here. Back in with our original brush here, and we're just gonna kind of blend so that we don't see where the blue ends and the brown starts. So it's all about blending, blending some more. I like to start more in the middle. And again, I'm holding the corner of my eye to keep it tight. And I'm gonna go up, and then from that corner, I'm gonna meet it, and then go back and fill it in. Other thing that I love to do is I like my eyes to pop. So one thing, it's a really simple thing to do, and it makes I think a big difference, is lining your waterline under here. So this is also Claudio's blackest of black liner. It's super, super smooth and super, super black, but it just makes it a little bit pop, a little bit more. This brow brush makes doing your brows the easiest thing in the whole wide world. It's the same thickness and shape as your brow. So all you have to do is take your powder, and he has all the different colors for your brows, and we're just gonna put it into the brow and follow the yellow brick road. So easy, right? Okay, so now the Instant Face Palette. This is one thing that I would say between the brow brush and the Instant Face Palette you have to have. First of all, I need to put a new pink in, which again, everything pops out, so I can just take out the pink. I have another pink that I can just insert in here. Okay, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna go swipe, swipe. So I'm gonna make a number 3 and a number 3, and let's do it again. Now I'm gonna blush it. So take the angle of your brush here and get in there on the pink, and then we can make it a blush right there. So you can kind of add or subtract. Use your Q-tips. And yeah, gross. Wet it with your tongue. That's how you can get kind of a cleaner line. Gives a little bit more pop, but not crazy. Claudio has created 12 lipsticks. They're creamy, they stay long. Number 4. Whew. Okay, now we gotta just do the hair, and we're good to go. I'm gonna mess up my makeup that I just did. Time to do the hair. Stench and envy.